I've got John from FreeAxez?
FreeAxez.
FreeAxez,
Yes,
okay.
we are the manufacturer of a steel low-profile wire management system. It's very different from what most people think of when they hear the term raised floor. We have two heights, only 1.6 inches or 2 3/4. So it's all about 21st century wire management. There's no glue screws or fasteners. Let me sort of demonstrate the system.
Sure.
You don't need any tools, simply a thumbnail to open it up. Why don't you feel that? It's very substantial.
So now, you just put it on the floor and you just let it sit there? Because it's heavy enough where it's not going to go anywhere.
Right, it's
locked into a grid.
Exactly, it's a gravity-held system. This foam sheet is part of our system to begin with. We would put this throughout the space. Then we would distribute these base units, and these have the legs. Let me show you what one looks like. There's 36 legs of the base unit. So it's basically a pedestal and a panel contained in the same part. Foam sheet goes down first. We provide an installation plan which tells the installer where to start and the sequence and direction of installation.
So it's a fairly intricate setup. You guys have I assume you do a blueprint or whatever before it's set
We do.
up.
In fact, I can show you an example of one right over here.
Excellent. So now, I assume this is used a lot of broadcast facilities, post facilities?
It's in anywhere where you want wire management, flexibility, capacity, ease of use.
Now, do they put a floor on top of this in some cases?
Yes, there's always a floor covering of some sort. For example, carpet tile behind you. There's interlocking vinyl, rubber, even solid wood options for the floor.
Okay, and so are they able to take the tiles up or something? Is that
Yes, let me show you.
Sure. I just find it so amazing. It's really cool.
The carpet is applied with a pressure-sensitive, releasable adhesive. So, in other words, it's intended to stay in place, but come up very easily, so that you can take advantage of the flexibility of the system. So it's all about organization. Our system creates an organized grid of channels, so you can keep your power, voice, and data all organized. Your high voltage power is separate from your low voltage, so you don't have any interference.
Oh, that's amazing.
So it's all about that ease of use. What we are, FreeAxez is a real alternative to static approaches like core drills, trenches, running all your cabling in the ceiling. I'd like to introduce, okay. This is Earl Gerchens. Earl is the CEO, president.
Hey, Earl, how you doing?
Okay. Roger's our chief engineer in electrical, and he wanted to show you the bus system.
Okay, it's really an amazing system. You know, I run a post facility, and it was built years ago, and so you cabled differently many years ago, and even now, I mean, I've just never seen this type of a thing. I've seen raised floors, but not this creative. This is really a neat system.
This changes everything.
Yeah, definitely. So tell us about it.
We're dealing with a paradigm shift. We're not really a floor, it's not really a thing. All it is, it's a turnkey system to facilitate all your needs, post-production, production, studio, and in the world in general.
Sure.
But it's basically part of the building. Once the floor's down, obviously you've got that briefing. These longitudinal tracks lay down in the thing. This is a bus bar. The bus bar is carrying 50 amps, 3-pole, share neutral, right? So all the power that you see here is going down, fed from the power point, delivered through
Oh, this is
monitor,
amazing.
Delivered through a monitor that's going to give an IP on the loads on this thing, so you can.
So you're saying there's an IP address on that?
There's an IP, and
That's
it's going to give you all
monitored.
your current.
Oh, that's amazing. I don't know if you guys see the LED lights on there that basically has readouts, but obviously it's so you guys don't just make the flooring system, you make the power systems that run the whole thing.
We make a system.
It's
system
literally
that's
an
a
entire
building.
system.
It's a part of a building now.
Wow.
This transitions. We need this under the consoles. We build this. This will duck under the floor. We're going to tie into. I
I gotta say that at the moment you guys have the that's my favorite product of the show right now. I mean, it's really
So
cool.
we're going to tie into the system. Now we're going to be able to pick up from, because we have all 3 phases, we can pick up.
So that does it. Well, it's a fairly safe. Like
Right.
the locking mechanism is that's really neat.
It's probably safer than an EMA 515 plug.
Wow.
And we have all those buses, so we can cross those 2 phases and give a 208 volt system. We can use all 3 phases for some UPS device that takes all 3 phases, or we can pick up the neutral and the line and deliver 120 volts anywhere under the floor, anywhere in the building.
Wow.
And we want more watts per square foot. We move more tracks together.
Wow.
Less
look at
watts
that.
per square foot. We slide the tracks apart.
This is just what a slick
All
setup.
traditional floor boxes in general office space or anywhere you need that type of component. We build all types of floor boxes all over the world.
Wow. Well, let me get your name again. I apologize. Roger. Thank you so much. And Earl, you guys have such an amazing product.
Thanks very much.
This really is my favorite product of the show. We've done about 20, 30 interviews today. So
Thanw. We're very
you so
proud of
much.
it.